The best thing about being a self-employed gardener is... Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm the Grey Gardener. If you're new here, I've got a couple of playlists I just want to send you in the direction of after the video. The first one is entitled Self-Employed Gardening or Gardener. Have a look at that. That's probably why you're here. The other one is I am new here. So I just wanted to do a quick little chat here and tell you what the best thing is about being a gardener. So have you been a gardener? Are you a gardener, or are you wanting to get into gardening? Do you want to run your own business? Tell us in the comments. If you are a gardener, how long have you been going for? If you're not a gardener, tell us why you want to get into it. What's maybe stopping you from getting into it, so I can, get some ideas on some videos as well. Pop all that in the comments. I'll try and get back to every one of you. So for me, the reason why I do it, apart from enjoying it, you've sort of got to have a bit of an interest. So apart from that is being your own boss. The perks of being your own boss and the freedom is why I do what I do. Personally, I don't want to work for anyone else. I don't want anyone else telling me what to do, and that's just the way I am. I'm happy being self-employed. That's obviously got its own kind of thing. You're responsible for your own work. It's on you basically. You've got your family, your bills, everything like that. But it's the freedom. I know I'm going to work hard. I know I'm going to be trustworthy, conscientious, do a good job. So the work and me as a person, how I sort of treat my customers, I know all that is going to be good. So I haven't got any concerns there, but it's just the freedom that it gives you. If you need some time off, the hours, you can start a bit later if you want, you can finish a little bit earlier. I can go on and on. That's why I do what I do. Why do you do it? If you've liked it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Cheers guys, bye.